Apollo missions were pioneers in almost all the technologies used and also the mission achievements it undertook. But Apollo 11 has been synonymous to success and mankind's progress, achievement, teamwork, and all the technological accomplishments. And in all that fields, it really proved it, but it also shadowed the milestone missions that were undertaken before them, which actually paved the way for Apollo 11, and one of which was Apollo 8. Apollo 8 was the first spacecraft that left the Earth orbit with humans on board and went into the outer orbit. It was the first manned mission to orbit the moon, first manned mission to witness the Earth rise, first manned mission to come back on Earth after orbiting the moon. In so many ways, Apollo 8 proved it to NASA and the world that yes, humans have a fighting chance to land on moon and come back to Earth. It tested out all the capabilities of LAM and all tested A-OK. It also tested out the crucial burning of the engines around the moon, which was really sensitive, as at these times it also loses contact with Earth ground control. If the burn had not lasted exactly the correct amount of time, the spacecraft could have ended in a highly elliptical lunar orbit, or even been flung off into the space. If it had been lasted too long, they could have struck the moon. All these ultra critical parameters were checked out during this mission, and this mission was real confidence booster not only for NASA but also for the upcoming Apollo missions and all of its crews. Even Russians recognized the achievements made by Apollo 8 and heaped praises on them. Also, it was the first time that a crew saw the most captivating and wonderful scene of an Earthrise, which got crew excited.
Oh my God, look at that picture over there. There's the Earth coming up. Wow, is that pretty? Hey, don't take that, it's not scheduled. You got a color film, Jim? Hand me a roll of color, quick.
Oh man, that's great. Where is it?
Quick.
Down here?
Just grab me a color. And color exterior. Hurry up. Got one?
Yeah, I'm looking for one. C368.
Anything, quick.
Here.
Honey. We missed it.
Hey, I got it right here.
Let me get up. This is a lot clearer.
Bill, I got it framed. It's very clear right here. Got it?
Yep. Just take several.
Take several of them. Here, give me.
Wait a minute, let me just get the right setting here. Now, just calm down, Momo.
Oh, I got it right. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. 250 at F11. Now there's exposure.
I did. I took two up there.
You sure you got it now?
Yeah, it'll come up again, I think.
And the picture had been picked up by the Life magazine as one of the 100 photos of the century. It was also a dry run for Jim Lovell, who would go on to command Apollo 13. On Apollo 8, Lovell used some otherwise idle time to do some navigational sightings, maneuvering the module to view various stars by using computer keyboard. However, he accidentally erased some of the computer's memory, which caused the inertial measurement unit (IMU) to contain data indicating that the module was in the same relative orientation it had been in before the liftoff. The IMU then fired the thrusters to correct the module's attitude. Once the crew realized why the computer had changed the module's attitude, they realized that they would have to re-enter data to tell the computer the module's actual orientation. It took Lowell 10 minutes to figure out the right numbers using the thrusters to get the stars, Regal and Sirius aligned, and another 15 minutes to enter the corrected data into the computer. 16 months later, during the Apollo 13 mission, Lowell would have to perform a similar manual realignment. Under more critical conditions, after module's IMU had to be turned off to conserve energy, after the Apollo 13 had suffered an accident which had crippled the spacecraft. Thus, in humans' relentless quest to knowledge and curiosity, Apollo 8 played a pivotal role.